Hello and welcome to the InPennyStock beginner module where I teach you guys the basics of the penny stock market and how to get into day trading. Now, let's start off with what exactly a penny stock is. Before we go any further, talking about trading or how to make profits or how to get involved in the penny stock market. I want to start with the very basics, and that is what exactly is a penny stock. There's a lot of misconceptions and a lot of negative connotations about the penny stock market. So I just want to clear that up right now. A penny stock, as defined by the SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is a federal regulatory agency, defines a penny stock as any stock under $5, and that is technically the even this the quote unquote the street definition of what a penny stock is. But pretty much any stock that's traded under $5, under $10 sometimes, is considered a penny stock. Okay, and the reason it's called a penny stock is because literally some of these stocks you can buy for a single penny. Don't worry about this module here right now. This is just a list of different penny stocks, and you can see their prices right here. Don't worry about the bid and the ask. I'm going to go over that later. You can just see right here that these are stocks, and these are actual stocks that you can purchase, and they literally cost a single penny, or 4 cents for a share of a stock of DIRV or Direct View Holdings. So they're called penny stocks because they're so low priced, and that's exactly what is the appeal of penny stocks, is because they are traded at such low prices. You can actually invest or trade these stocks and make money because of the volatility in their prices, which I'll go over later. But in this video, I just wanted to cover what exactly a penny stock is, and try to clear up, different things about the industry. Um, Basically, one of the reasons that they can make you money is because of the price changes that occur in these stocks. So, as you can see here, I'm going to sort this by percentage change. This is everything that happened in a single day. Okay, this all happened on March 25th, and you can see, actually, the thing is, sometimes you have to ignore a few of these trades. This went up 75,000%. Don't focus on that. That wasn't traded too much. But as you can see here, this went up, it just went up about a penny. But because this traded at less than a penny when it opened, you could have made a profit in it. That's a lot of guessing and everything, but the ones that are more realistic are the ones that down here. 200% gains, 100% gains, 70% gains. If you know how to day trade and you know how to invest in these penny stocks, you can make this much money in a single day. These are percent changes in a single day. It's March 25th. So, this is the first video. All I wanted to do was kind of introduce penny stocks and show you how they can make you money, and it's because of the percentage changes that occur. These are shares of a company, so when you buy a penny stock, you're buying a percentage of a company. It's not a large percentage, because when these companies issue their shares, which means that they make these shares that you are buying, these stocks, available to the public, they issue, millions of shares, several millions of shares. So when you buy a handful of stocks, say 100, 1,000, 10,000, which isn't much. If you buy, 10,000 shares, you have to remember it's just one penny, so it comes out to like $100. So that's not too, it's not that hefty of an investment, but you technically own 10,000 shares of this company. And all you have to remember is that the price changes in these shares occur because of supply and demand. So technically, because of the fact that these penny stocks are traded on a market, and in the next video I'm going to go over the different types of markets, but You just have to know that these penny stocks are traded on a market, so you can actually think of them as a product that's being bought and sold and just think of them as an actual widget or a real product being traded, because that's what they are. And just the only thing about them is it's something that you can't hold in your hand, and actually you can if you they actually can. I mean, actually, back in the day, they used to issue physical shares, not anymore. But um, you know, you can have and trade these shares, and you can buy and sell them. And so, in the next video, I'm going to go over how these penny stocks are bought and sold, and the different markets and ways that they are traded.